On the off chance that you have been considering how to deal with your glucose levels, you are at the opportune spot. Since this audit doesn't acquaint you with an ages-old, hard-to-seek after cure or plans that taste a ton of your time. All things considered, it acquaints you with a solid and common recipe that can deal with your well-being securely and without the inclusion of engineered fixings. This equation goes under the name of Cera Care. Cera Care Review. Cera Care is a glucose uphold recipe. Dissimilar to different arrangements out there, it depends on a characteristic structure, which makes it a protected arrangement. Inferable from its common creation and examination foundation of fixings, it is protected to slip into your day-by-day schedule as well, as indicated by the authority site. Indeed, the correct method to utilize this enhancement is to have it every day. This consistency guarantees that you see positive outcomes right away. It additionally ensures that the enhancement conveys long-haul, enduring outcomes. As referenced on ceracare.us, the equation incorporates cell reinforcements that are essential for your well-being and health. These cell reinforcements are additionally logically demonstrated to help your glucose. So, the special and amazing arrangement of this recipe help it to offer help to your glucose digestion, offer help to solid glucose levels, improve your blood dissemination level as well. The jug contains 30 Cera Care cases. This implies that by staying with the suggested day-by-day portion, one container can undoubtedly last you for 1 month. How does Cera Care respond? Cera Care is an all-normal, advancement recipe that helps with streamlining your glucose levels. In spite of the fact that individual outcomes may change, the enhancement additionally deals with the remainder of your well-being by boosting your imperativeness and energy. It likewise expands blood dissemination, which is fundamental for the prosperity, all things considered. Why? Since your blood is the principal carrier of supplements and new oxygen to your cells and organs, it is likewise the thing is liable for removing the waste created. Consequently, as blood dissemination improves, supplements and oxygen can without much of a stretch arrive at your cells. Simultaneously, waste can without much of a stretch be shipped away from the cells as well. To put it plainly, Cera Care glucose equation normally and securely stirs the input circle in your body. This circle is liable for streamlining glucose. It additionally recuperates and recovers. Thusly, the equation improves your characteristic and inside potential to be your best self. Advantages of Cera Care Advanced Blood Sugar Formula. As per the makers, Cera Care is an all-rounder equation that is useful for your whole body. Here's the manner by which it expects to help you in general classes. Glucose uphold. The enhancement underpins glucose levels with the end goal that it hoists your body's capacity to remain solid normally. Energy and imperativeness. The equation battles exhaustion and lifts your energy levels so you can be dynamic for the duration of the day. Upgraded blood well-being. The amazing cancer prevention agents present in this recipe improve blood dissemination so legitimate blood arrives at all your body organs. And Cera Care has arisen to get quite possibly the most believed glucose supplements in the business. Its organization base is expanding as time passes. Clients just have positive comments about the item. It's clinically demonstrated and has no results, making it all right for standard utilization. It manages stable glucose levels and can help clients switch type 2 diabetes.